Hi guys, welcome back with a new exciting recipe for today, and today it's gonna be a vegetarian day. So today I am making some okras, that's also called bhindi. It's a quite straightforward recipe. It's very earthy, very flavorful, and it goes very well with chapati. So let's get started, and I tell you the process first. So I've taken around 300 grams of okras or bhindi. You have to cut them in circles. What we are going to do initially is we are going to take these okras, and then we are going to take around a tablespoon or maybe 2 tablespoons of ghee, as much as you like, and then we're going to fry it. We're not going to make them brown or anything. You just have to fry them, so that they lose all the moisture and they should stay green. And after that, we will dish it out. Then we are going to take around 3 medium-sized onions, and we are going to saute them and going to make them translucent. You are also going to take 3 medium-sized tomatoes, and for the masala or the spices that we are going to use, I've taken around quarter teaspoon of turmeric. I've taken a quarter teaspoon of black seeds. I've taken 1 level teaspoon of red chili powder. With that, I've taken 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. And I've crushed the coriander seeds coarsely. So this will be the spice that's going to go in this dish. And let's get started. I'll show you the whole process now. So I'm going to take around 1 tablespoon of liquefied butter or ghee. Now our ghee is heated. I'm going to add 3 grams of okras. So the okras are fried now, and we are going to dish it out. So in the same pan, I've taken some ghee, around a teaspoon, and added some olive oil. In that, I am going to add onions. I'm going to saute these onions till the point they become translucent. I'm also going to add some curry leaves. As onions are translucent now, I'm going to add 3 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. As soon as your tomatoes go mushy, you are going to add all the spices that I've told you earlier. Mix everything together very well, and finally I'm going to add okras. So I've mixed everything together and I've reduced the temperature. Now I'm going to cover it up and let it cook for next 10 minutes. Here we go guys, our okras are ready. I've served okras with chapatis and some green chilies. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know in the comment section below. For more interesting stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Till next time, take care and goodbye.